Hello and welcome back. In this lecture, we will learn about Entra device join types. Microsoft Entra ID offers you modern business enabling securing authentication and authorization across various device types, each playing a unique role in defining how these devices establish a trust and a connectivity with your Microsoft Entra ID environment. So when we talk about the device join types, Microsoft Entra ID supports several type of device join types. Each method accommodates a different scenarios uh, which can help the device types and management requirements. So the primary type of device join would be the Microsoft Entra registered devices. As you can see here, if you just go back to Microsoft Entra portal and look for all devices, you would find here the join type. So in this case, the first one, we can talk about the Microsoft Entra registered devices and followed by the full type of joining called Microsoft Entra joined. This is a full method or fully features that offers by Microsoft Entra can be supported in this for cloud native. And in case if you are trying to use your on-premises devices also to be reported to Microsoft Entra device joining method. That's called the hybrid join devices. We would be in a deep dive in understanding about each type of these methods and the device management strategy within Microsoft Entra ID environment. That being said, let's first have a look on Microsoft Entra registered devices. Microsoft Entra registered devices are the devices that have been associated with your Microsoft Entra tenant but remains primarily managed by personal account. Let's say you have a user and he is using a personal device and you wanted that device to be registered with Microsoft Entra so that you can allow accessing Microsoft Entra ID based resources with a limited management control compared with domain joined or intra joint type. So these are the typically non-domain joint. Mostly it would be bring your own device scenario. You would be using the intra registered devices. So if you have a personal device that might be required to access corporate data, you might be forcing them to register with Microsoft Entra as a Entra registered joint type. And the next method would be the Microsoft Entra joint device type. This is, as I said earlier, it's a full type for a cloud integration so that these type of devices will have a full trust relationship with your Microsoft Entra ID. These devices are fully registered in Microsoft Entra ID and fully managed centrally through Microsoft Entra ID policies and settings. So you can have full-fledged single sign-on and conditional access policies can be applied. And you also can access the seamless access for your Azure and Microsoft 365 resources with the help of Microsoft Entra joint devices. That being said, let's have a look on the final type of Entra device joint type, which is hybrid joint device. As the name suggested, you are going to manage a combination of your on-premises Active Directory devices, and these devices also joins on Microsoft Entra ID, meaning the same device joined in two different places. That gives an edge access for your on-premises resources as well as the cloud resources with the Microsoft Entra. To use this type of Entra device join type, you need to deploy Microsoft Entra Connect on your on-premises one of the server so that the cloud identities can be synced from your on-premises Active Directory to Microsoft Entra ID. Or you can also use the Cloud Sync Microsoft Entra. Cloud Sync also can be one other option to sync up your identities from your on-premises Active Directory to Microsoft Entra ID. The major differences between the join types, the major difference from an average user point of view, it looks similar for them, But in reality, it makes significant difference between all these three different methods. So most importantly, administrators should be aware of these type of device types and the difference so that they can make the right decision about which type of device join is most appropriate for particular scenario based. Let's have a look on ideally from a difference between join types. So the management and the control would be the first thing that we can think about it from an admin point of view. So the level of management control varies significantly among these join types. Microsoft Entra registered devices offer a limited management capabilities compared with Microsoft Entra joined or hybrid joint devices because those two type of devices are fully managed, whereas the registered devices are actually personal devices, so you will not have a full access on those devices, and it is completely limited access and limited control from a management point of view when they compared with hybrid joint or intra joint. And the next thing would be the authentication and access control point of view. Microsoft Entra Joint and Hybrid Joint offers more advanced authentication capabilities compared with Microsoft Entra registered devices. These devices supports features like single sign-on, conditional access policies, so that we can allow more granular control over the resources that are going to access by these devices on a different parameters or on a different scenario based. From an authentication and access control point of view for intra-joined and hybrid devices, WAM, which is Web Account Manager, primarily used, and WAM is going to provide a seamless single sign-on experience for the users signing in to Windows 10 or later devices like Windows 11, the devices that are joined to Microsoft Entra ID. And this enables the users to access Microsoft Entra ID integration applications and services without repeated authentication prompts. When we talk about Microsoft Entra registered devices authentication and access control, in the backend, it is going to use Cloud AP, which referred as Cloud Authentication Provider. Refers to the authentication service that Microsoft Entra ID utilizes to authenticate users and devices when accessing cloud-based resources. And the third important difference would be the integration and compatibility. So when we talk about Microsoft Entra joined and hybrid joined devices is going to provide a deeper integration with Microsoft Entra ID, enabling a seamless access to your Azure and Microsoft 365 resources. In other hand, the Microsoft Entra registered devices cater to your personal devices or bring your own devices, so offering a level of integration suited for BYOD scenarios with a limited limitations in terms of the management and control. So if you could, conclude, Microsoft Entra devices joint type serves distinct purpose within the organization device management strategy. Choosing the appropriate joint type depends on factors such as the device ownership. If the ownership belongs to the personal, we would be choosing definitely Microsoft Entra registered devices, and if the devices are corporate, then we might be using Microsoft Entra joined or hybrid join, and we would definitely integrate with Microsoft Entra ID services that needs to be facilitated to secure and efficient access to those resources. So ultimately, the understanding differences in capabilities of Microsoft Entra registered and Entra joined and hybrid joint type of devices are essential for implementing a well-rounded device management approach that's going to meet your modern device management solution. That being said, I'll catch you in the next lecture. I hope I made it easy in terms of understanding about the three different type of device management capabilities that we have with Microsoft Entra. Starting with Microsoft Entra Register for bring your own devices, and for the corporate devices, Microsoft Entra Device and Hybrid device join type.